Hello everybody, here is PNB Auto Parts. Today we will introduce an RS7 bumper fit on Audi A7 C7.5 2016 to 2018. You can see the original car model is Audi A7 C7.5, but now we put an RS7 bumper on it. You can see the details of its fitment. First of all, you can see the fenders and the bumpers fitment. It is fits very nice, and the bumpers and the headlights fitments, hood and the bumpers fitments. Otherwise, we will talk about the grille of it. We choose the RS7 C7.5 whole black style on it, glossy black frame and black net holding curb, and choose black Audi logo on it. You can see the fitment of it. It's perfect fitment. And otherwise, somebody of my customers told me, I think this is an RS7 car. You are just kidding me. It's not the bumper just changed. Okay, let's see the behind of it. I will show the rear of it. You will know whether this car is RS7 or A7. You can see the rear bumper of it. It's the original car model A7. So that can prove this original car model is not RS7. And now we've changed it the same as the RS7. Of course, we not only change the front bumper of it, we also change the wheel cube and brackets of it. Let's see the front of the wheel, forging wheel. We choose the forging wheel on it, make it more safety, and the A-piece brackets on it makes the brackets more handsome and other things. Okay, after that we will talk about the wheel of it. Of course, we haven't put all these cars modification. We will put the screen of it now, and we have put the R8 wheel, steering wheel. We have put the R8 steering wheel on it. We can see this wheel's fitment also can very nice. So if you want to change your car more handsome, just please contact us. We will provide you more and more Audi cars modification. Of course, not only for performance, but also for the inner tank. That's all. Here is PNB Auto Parts. Welcome to our online shop. To ask anything, any question of Audi modification, ask any questions for Audi modification. That's all, thank you.